Stephanie Epstein is a healthcare hero because she makes a profound difference in the lives of our patients at Holtz, infants and children who are sick and need to be hospitalized. She is director of music therapy, and she has changed the way we take care of patients because of music therapy and the comfort that it provides to kids who are, for example, undergoing a procedure. In some cases, we don't have to give them medications because of what Stephanie and her team do. So she comes in, walks in the room with her guitar, and in a few minutes, the environment is entirely different just because of what she and the rest of her team do. But something that is equally exciting is that she's extended it to our Jackson Pediatric Center, an outpatient facility whereby kids who have chronic illnesses go for the day, and the program operates there as well. Another thing that she started is a caregiver support group that invites caregivers to come weekly when their children are in the hospital, and it's a support group with all different creative arts, not just music. So they do music therapy, they do arts and crafts, and they do writing and journaling, and that's an amazing thing.
Dr. McKinney, as a principal at Scott Lake Elementary, saw this great need. She came to me one evening and was very distraught because there were 2 drownings in a neighborhood, and after that she wanted to do something to help the community. And she began to engage children and parents and emphasize the need that drowning takes lives. So it was not only just teaching them how to swim, it was a drowning prevention program. These children have learned the skills to stay alive. Their parents have learned these skills, and through it we've covered over 5,000 children, and we have seen a change not only in drowning prevention here in South Florida, but this is going national and internationally. Dr. Bridget McKinney is a healthcare hero, setting the standards for drowning prevention and water safety across this entire nation.
My name is Matthew Racher, and the nominee is my mother, Susan Racher. Susan Racher is a healthcare hero because she took a very dark, adverse experience that happened within our family when I experienced my mental health crisis, and said, we have a need in our community and other people deserve a pathway to sustained help and recovery. NAMI is the largest grassroots mental health organization in the country, and NAMI Miami-Dade was definitely a big part of my personal recovery journey from a mental health episode I had back in 2011. After leaving the hospital, we weren't sure what to do, where to go. So my mother used to drive me to support groups across the state, and she would sit in with me during these support groups, and she'd realize the effect they have, or how people are able to bond together and share their lived experience in helping each other. So my mother decided Miami-Dade needs these resources, so she helped restart the peer support group program and the family support group program. She did a lot of strategic planning and fundraising to help grow NAMI's programs. I believe they have 36 peer support groups a month for both families and peers with lived experience. And she helped create what was the NAMI Real Minds Film Festival and the first walk for mental health for NAMI Miami-Dade, creating awareness and fundraising for mental health programming. And NAMI Miami continues to grow thanks to a lot of the help that my mother was able to help lay the groundwork for.